styles that possess polar elements like natural and faux, traditional and modern, warm and cool colors, glossy and rugged textures usually create a harmonious ambience. This always evokes a sense of comfort and interest within a space. These living rooms from Natuzzi's 2010 collection are all unique in their own right but do share a common thread: opposing trends. This Italian furniture company provides custom furniture and interior solutions while creating casually elegant silhouettes for irresistible living. The pairing of clean lines with funky textural elements and contrasting lights with darks create a fashionable impression and are inspiring at best. Take a look for yourself.